What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's a big day because this beautiful tech, the Xbox Series X, is officially mine. Today we're going to be unboxing it, setting it up, and testing out the 4K gameplay. If you're hyped too, smash that subscribe button and let's dive right in. Alright, we're going to set it up here. Open this back. Oh! Okay. Okay. So now we got some for the controllers. There's the console itself. There it is. So there's the console. So now we just gotta unwrap the console. Oh my goodness. There it is. Look at this. That is awesome. All right. So now we gotta see what else is in the box. And we've got anything else? Nope, all right, there's nothing else. Oh, never mind, found something else. All right, and here are the controllers with a nice, sleek, black design. Really nice. And then we've got the HDMI cable. And then we've got the router for the Xbox, to set it up, plug. And then it also comes with a manual. And that is it. And now we're gonna be setting it up and we'll see you then. All right guys, currently all my games are currently installing and I will keep you on updates on how the console is, and like and subscribe for more.